Alright, trade recap number 8. This is a very nice trade. I had a short position going from like, show you actually from here to here, made $200. I'll show you how exactly now. So, what do I need for my strategy? I need a sweep of liquidity, an SMT, fair value gaps, manipulation leg, and change of character. 5 confluences. Simple, easy, boom, right? We have major liquidity on the New York and London high, major liquidity on the New York and London low. As you can see, as I'm looking, this is where I enter on London, right? I start marking stuff out during London, right? So this, imagine all of this price action is unfolding right now. Okay, let's say it's 11:20 on a Wednesday on the 3rd of December. Okay, this is where I'm at right now. I'm marking stuff out. I don't see any of this price action after this. I'm here, right? So what do I mark out? Asia high, Asia low, and these two major ones. Asia high and low are strong confluences. Are they as strong as New York and London? No, but they're still good to have marked out because they can work, and they did work, as you will see. Now, as you can see, as price is consolidating, it is a lot closer to the highs than to the lows. So for price to move all the way down to these major lows is a lot less likely than it just to move up a bit to sweep these highs, right? Common sense. So as I'm marking stuff out, I see price tap in tap in here during London session. A bit of consolidation right here. Tap in, support, bounce off the resistance. It's kind of consolidating. I'm waiting for a breakthrough. It breaks through right here. Then as it breaks through, that's my first sort of like, ooh, this is interesting. Then I get my Asia buy side liquidity sweep. Now I want to take a trade. So what do? I start looking for confluences. So we sweep this Asia. I'm counting on this sweep of New York and London right here. I'm so shocked. Even right now, I'm so shocked that this did not get swept. Like, it needed to move a bit more and it would have swept. I have no idea. Could not explain to you why it didn't. I have no idea. But it didn't. Alright? And basically, we swept Asia. I was counting on it sweeping New York and London. And what do I look for next is a SMT. So I go to NAS. I have a lot of SMTs drawn out, but I am pretty sure it was this one. It was, yeah. I had a SMT right here. It wasn't on my entry. It was just before my entry. The reason for being why this is still a confluence, even though it wasn't at this high, is because the markets like to sweep liquidity. Wait. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Because if it would have been here, it wouldn't have been an SMT. Because it's the same. But that doesn't matter. Basically, this is a SMT. And the reason why I still count this as a confluence is because I can fully believe that price, like what this is doing is this SMT is valid and price is just liquidizing people. Like, it's moving up because people are taking shorts too early. That's what I'm thinking when I'm taking this trade. I'm thinking they see a SMT, they see the Asia buy side liquidity get swept. So what do? They just take a short instantly, right? They just take a short, put this right here, and just they aim for this. That's what they do. And what happens? They get stopped out because we sweep them, and then we move further down, and then we sweep again the shorters, and then the smart ones enter like here. I think I might have entered here. No, I entered here. So I waited for more confirmation, which is why I gained this whole move down without being liquidized. So what else did I need? So I had an SMT, which liquidized even more people. I had a sweep of the Asia buy side liquidity. Then let's go to like the 1 minute. I think the 1 minute will show my entry better. So yeah, so we had this this sort of like liquidation right here on the move up. Then I have an inverse fair value gap on the 5 minute marked out and a change of character here, which we did, but then we retraced and then we kind of went up, and then I was just waiting for the support to get broken, the inverse fair value gap to like, because sometimes it does like a double fake, is where the inverse fair value gap breaks through, then goes back up, and then goes through like fully this time to the downside. So I've seen this happen a lot actually, the inverse fair value gap, where it does like a double fake thing. And I'm sure like if you really look, you can, like right now I can already see like right here there's an inverse fair value gap. So there's a lot of confluence, which I wasn't like bothered to mark out because I already had enough confluence. So I took this trade and I went for a minus 2.5. No, I think I went for more. I don't know. I went for like a 3. I went for like a minus 3. So yeah, it was a nice trade. Made like 200 off it. So yeah, W trading day.